Do you want to know how to withdraw money from Honeygain? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been a member of Honeygain for quite a while, and I have also taken money out several times, and in this video I will show you step by step how to do it, and I will also show you how you can get a $10 bonus when you withdraw your money, and that is in addition to the joining bonus you can get that I will also mention if you're not already a member. So before I log in and show you how to withdraw, then I just want to make it clear that this is not a full Honeygain tutorial. I have a whole playlist with all kind of information about how to use Honeygain, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here. This is to show you specifically how to withdraw your earnings here. And if you're not already a member and you want to be after watching this video, then remember that you can get a $5 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And I have such an invitation link on my website, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to use that if you're not yet a member. But later I will also show you, if you're already a member, how you can potentially get a $10 bonus when you take your earnings out. So let's now log in, and then I will show everything step by step. So I have now logged into Honeygain, and when you are inside, you can right away see your current balance, and you need $20 to be able to take your earnings out. And you can see here exactly how much the points you currently have is worth in dollars. So I can take my earnings out now. I have almost $27. So all I then need to do is to just click this request payout button. And now you then have two options at the moment of recording this video. You can get paid via PayPal or in Bitcoin here. And I already have a video where I show payment proof for PayPal, where I show you exactly how to take your earnings out there. And I will also leave a link to that in the top corner here. But in this video, I then want to show you how you can withdraw your earnings as Bitcoin, because that is also what will give you a unique chance to actually get an extra $10 bonus. So I will just choose Bitcoin here, and then I will click to continue. And you can see now you then need a Bitcoin wallet key here. And it also explains here that the value here that I have, these $26.88, that it is at the moment of requesting for this payout, it is the value that Bitcoin have there that it will be exchanged to, but it can take a couple of days before you will actually get the earnings into your Bitcoin wallet. And I will now show you where you can find such a wallet key if you do not already have a Bitcoin wallet. And in that connection, I also want to show you how you can then potentially get a $10 bonus. But before I do that, I would really appreciate if you can just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people. But let's now then go into where I have my wallet key, and then I will explain more there. So I have now logged into Coinbase, because that is where I have a Bitcoin wallet key. And you can see I already have some Bitcoin here, and that's because I sometimes withdraw money from the different platforms that I use to earn online. And I have more information about different platforms that will allow you to earn Bitcoin, and I will leave a link to that below here if you want to earn in different ways than just using Honeygain. But an amazing thing about Coinbase is that it is super easy to use, as I will show you here. But also, if you join through an invitation link, then you will actually get a $10 bonus, or you will get Bitcoin worth of $10 once you have either bought or sold worth of $100 in here. So if you join through an invitation link like that, and then if you just use Coinbase actively, then you will be able to get those $10 as a bonus. And because I'm already a member, I have such an invitation link. So if you decide to withdraw your Honeygain earnings through Coinbase, then make sure to use that link, because then you can get this $10 joining bonus. And I will of course leave a link here below, so you can easily sign up through that if you do not already have a Bitcoin wallet somewhere else. Or even if you have it somewhere else, you can also get Coinbase if you think that is the right one for you, and if you want the bonus, and if you like how it works. But anyways, let me now show you how you do it here, because you just click then on Bitcoin, because that's the wallet code I want here. And then over here, I just click on receive, and you can see then I have an address here. And then I just copy this address here, and I jump back into Honeygain. And here I then just paste my wallet key, and I then just need to confirm payout. And as you can see, as an extra security measurements here, it just asked me for a verification code. So it just sent it to my email. So I'll just jump over there and get that and paste it in here. And then once you have that there, you just submit code. And you can see now the equivalent of these almost $27 in Bitcoin will be sent to me within 2 business days. And that is actually also usually how long it takes in my experience. But I will of course also here on the screen leave a screenshot of the email I get from Coinbase where it says that the money have actually gone into my account, and I will also there write exactly how long it takes. But you can expect it to be within these approximately 2 days. And then you have the money in there, and that is how easy it is to actually take your earnings out from Honeygain. So as you can see, Honeygain actually does pay. It is quite easy to take your earnings out, whether you want to get paid via PayPal or in Bitcoin. So it offers great payout methods no matter your preferences. And remember, if you're not already a member, then you can get a $5 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And also if you decide to take your earnings out via Bitcoin through Coinbase, then you can get a $10 joining bonus if you join Coinbase through an invitation link. And I have invitation links like that so you can get those bonuses, and I will leave links below this video here so you can join there and get the bonuses if you want to use any of these methods. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, just please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.